All right, so today we got a quick unboxing video. So I have been interested in grabbing a new keyboard. I've been doing some research on some different ones, and I came across a lot of different custom keyboards with custom switches, custom all this and that. I have really no idea what I'm getting myself into because I've always just used, some generic, not generic, but, Razer or Corsair, gaming keyboards with tactile switches. I did a little bit of research. I know there's like linear switches and some other different kinds as well. But so I went and grabbed the Womier S-K71. It's a 75% keyboard with the alloy shell, wireless mechanical keyboard. It has Bluetooth 2.4 wired, has hot swappable pre-lubed switches. So I'm assuming you can, swap out the switches and also, swap out the keycaps as well. And then it's gasket mounted with RGB, and I've heard that the gasket mounted is a good thing and it makes for better sound on the keyboard. So yeah, we're gonna check this guy out. I don't know what I'm getting myself into, but we will figure it out together. If any of you guys are keyboard nerds out there, please let me know if I made a good choice here and kind of get me started here. So we have a bunch of stuff I should probably read. And then we have some extra keycaps, which is cool. So comes with some extra keycaps. It's very nice touch, very nice touch. And then we have the instructions. It's great. And the keyboard. If I can get it out, that'd be cool. Oh wow, this is actually much heavier than I thought it was going to be. Let's grab this cord out of here. Oh wow, yeah, that's like, I don't know if you saw my whole desk shake when I put it down. It's much heavier than I thought it was going to be. So what we got in here, we have the pulley thingy, and then a cable, just a standard Type C to USB cable. So it doesn't have one of those, cool looking braided cables that I've been seeing, but maybe we'll upgrade to that in the near future. Oh, I don't know. I actually have no idea what this is. I'm sure we'll find out later on. So yeah, so let's open this guy up. I will say it does feel very premium. Like this thing is super heavy compared to my Razer keyboard that I'm currently using. I don't even know if I can show you what I'm currently using. This is what I'm using now. It's just had this thing for, I don't know, a few years now. It's held its purpose for that time, but looking to kind of upgrade and get out of that. I do like different sounding keyboards, and I'm kind of tired of just the clicky clacky um, sound that this keyboard makes because it's super loud and quite annoying. But yeah, let's check this bad boy out. I will say the presentation is amazing. Packaging is great. It's got the foam on there. So here it is. This is the one I got. I like the stealth look of it. That's why I went with this one. It does have the, if you're wondering, does have the lettering on the inside there, so you can still see all that. And it is a, I believe, 75% keyboard, so no numpad. I am a numpad fan, but I don't always particularly need it. We can always get an external one at any point in time as well. I do like that this just fits on my desk a lot better than the other one did. It takes up a lot of space. I actually have it on a pull-out tray underneath, which now I could probably use for something else. 'Cause I'm probably gonna have this up on my desk here. So let's turn this bad boy on and see. So we have that in. We're plugged in. And then let's switch to 2.4. And we got the RGB going there. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Colors are really nice on there. Don't ask me how to change them because I have no idea. It's probably in that pamphlet that I threw across the room. No, I like this. Yeah, I probably will do a video of me attempting to take this guy apart and kind of understand how this really works. But I'm sure someone in the comments is going to let me know regardless. So please do, so I can check that out. And if you want to point me in the right direction of some good things to check out to get started, we can do a little sound test here. Maybe I can switch my mic around real quick. But yeah, I feel like this sounds really cool. I like the way it sounds. It's definitely different from what I have currently. I am liking it. But yeah, let me know what you think about this guy in the comments below, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.